Hello, welcome back to SwiftCat. In this video is all about how to make a macOS app. Most probably you have seen a lot of videos based on iOS mobile app, but this video is completely based on macOS, or how to make a macOS app. It's a basic app for beginners. If you doesn't have a previous experience in doing the iOS, doesn't matter. You just need to download the Xcode. I have given the link in my description, so if you click any of the latest version, it will open to the redirect to the developer account. From here you can download it straight away. Alright, so we will start the project from here. So I'm searching for my Xcode, which I already have in my system. I'm going to create a new project, and here you can see it's OS, watch OS, TV OS. So I'm going to select Mac OS app and click next. I'm going to name it as Mac OS app and have my language is Swift and have my storyboard as well. I will click next. I'm gonna save it my desktop, right? So create. Here you can see this is my general tab over here. You can see a lot of stuff like its sign-in capabilities. First you have to do is let's go to main.storyboard and we will see what we have. So unlike the OS storyboard, there we have a main menu which is having a lot of options like file, edit, format, which is of kind in MacBook. Alright, so whatever we are going to show or type in vController is gonna resemble in our app, right? First I'm going to assets.exe assets. So I'm gonna drag a image from my desktop. You can also drag an image of your own and just dragging a simple image of Mac, right? I'm going back to main.storyboard. So here I can see the vController over here. It's already in the VC of vController.zip file. I'm not going to write any code, as I said before. I'm just doing the basics. So first I'm clicking here and calling a label over here. I'm going to type first Mac OS app. Alright, let's place it in the middle, and next I'm going to click in the plus button and taking an image view over here, and here I would like to call the image which I dropped over here like a macro. As you can see here, you can do all the alignment, like you can make it a center or whatever. Alright, if to be more clear, if you make it bigger and if you click here, the image goes to the middle, here to the right and left top. So I'm placing here the middle one, so make it smaller. And alright, next I'm going to take button. Let's take up OK button, which is here I would like to show applications. Next you can just click in this button and press Command D, so under button will appear. Place it over here. I'm going to type hide applications. Alright, and the same, click on that button, press Command D and just drag it over here. I'm going to quit. Alright, pretty simple. So only 3 buttons as you can see on the screen. So next time what I'm going to do is click on the show application button and click and drag it over here. Yeah, so it's show application, so I'm pressing H, which means hide other application. Enter it. Next I'm gonna click hide, here show applications, so unhide application, unhide all applications. I'm going to click that unhide all applications, and for hide application just control it and drag it over here, and here I need to hide the applications. So hide our application, just need to click it. And the last one is quit button, so I'm just clicking it and dragging it over here. So type a T, which means like I want to terminate the application while I click this quit button. So that's all. It's pretty easy and simple. So let's run and check what we have done so far, right? Alright, I have here, this is the window, this is our application. Alright, so as you can see, this is label, image, and 2 buttons. So what I'm going to do is I'm just opening few windows like music, all these stuffs. Then I'm gonna click this, and here I'm clicking the show all applications or hide all application, which means it hides all the application. If I click back to show application, all the application which we opened will be showing, and hide again, it's hiding all the application. Show application, at last if I quit this, the application will be hidden. So it's just a basic and simple app. So in future I'll be making videos more deep about macOS, so we will discuss much more deeper, and we will make a bigger macOS apps. So in order to do that, you just need to like and subscribe so that you can get new videos as notification. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Thanks. Bye.